still a major story as many high school parents and athletes are grappling with St. Louis County Executive Sam Page's announcement that eliminates all games in many fall sports.
It is a decision that affects a lot of families. Fox 2's Catherine Hessel sat down with Page today to ask him questions that many parents have about his decision. And she's live in Clayton right now, where a group of athletes also plan to file a lawsuit to reverse that decision. Catherine?
Yeah, the attorney actually plans to file that paperwork tomorrow. Now, he'll be asking the court to render unenforceable the restrictions that were put in place by Sam Page. But before we get to that, I did want to sit down with Page and ask him about the decision he made, the decision that affects so many athletes and so many athletes with college aspirations. Wednesday night, some athletes protested outside of Sam Page's home over the decision to not allow competition for some high school sports. Parents are wondering where Page is getting the data to back this decision, and why does it matter if kids ages 15 to 19 have more cases of COVID-19?
Some of them can get really sick. Some of them can get into the hospital, and we can even see tragic loss of life in this age group.
Another big question parents have is how can it be safe for athletes in all the surrounding counties to compete, but not St. Louis County? And what about those high school senior athletes who plan to use this season to be seen by college programs?
Our athletic directors and our coaches need to continue their extraordinarily resourceful advocacy on behalf of these athletes that are really competitive and have real opportunities.
But athletes are saying that solution isn't fair. They say Page's restriction could disrupt their entire future.
I feel like with quarantine and everything that's gone on in the past few months, it's very important for us to be playing sports right now for our mental health, and I feel like Dr. Page is taking that away and almost bringing us in the wrong direction from where we need to be moving forward.
Now, according to the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force, there are 1,879 COVID cases in the age range of 15 to 19 years old. That's about 8.9% of the total cases, and there's been no fatalities in that age group. Reporting live in Clayton, I'm Catherine Hessel, Fox 2 News.